TaskRabbit Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. TaskRabbit isn't just an app for odd jobs. You won't believe how much time and stress it can save. Most people get this wrong by thinking hiring help is expensive, but the surprising truth is you pay only for the services you need with clear upfront pricing. Hourly rates vary by task and location. For example, furniture assembly might cost per hour, while cleaning services could range from per hour. TaskRabbit charges a service fee of around 15%, but it covers payment processing, insurance and platform support. Most people overlook the convenience of vetting taskers through reviews, ratings, and skilled verification, which ensures reliability and quality. The app allows scheduling flexibility, same-day requests, and task tracking. You won't believe how seamless it is to manage multiple services at once, whether it's moving, handyman work, or home organisation. In conclusion, TaskRabbit pricing is transparent and reflective of the convenience, vetted talent and flexibility it provides. For busy individuals or small businesses needing reliable help on demand, it offers excellent value, saving both time and effort while delivering quality results without long-term commitments.